Welcome to Aerservice. Every day companies face a common challenge: improving air quality in their production facilities while protecting operators and ensuring efficient manufacturing processes. Today I'll take you inside our company to show you how we transform these challenges into practical solutions. Every project starts here. Before talking about machines or extraction systems, we listen carefully to our customers' needs. Understanding their production process, identifying critical points, and defining their objectives allows us to recommend the most suitable solution. This is our engineering department, where ideas become reality. In addition to developing and continuously improving our range of industrial extraction systems, we design customized central extraction systems for welding fumes and industrial dust. Every production environment is different, which is why we carefully analyze every application to develop efficient, reliable, and standard compliant solution. From the initial concept to the final installation, our engineering team supports every stage of the project. Welcome to the heart of Aerservice. This is where projects become reality thanks to the expertise of our team and the production process that enables us to maintain the highest quality standards. Every component is manufactured with the utmost attention to detail, ensuring reliability and consistent performance over time. Before delivery, every extraction system undergoes comprehensive testing and quality inspections. This allows us to verify that every machine performs exactly as intended and arrives ready for immediate operation. This is our demo room, where we test new products, develop new solutions, and allow our customers to experience our systems under real operating conditions. And this is our showroom, where visitors can discover a wide range of extraction solutions for welding fumes and industrial dust. Our portfolio includes compact mobile extractors as well as high-performance systems for demanding industrial applications. Among our best-known solutions are the Mono Plus, the Uni 2C and the Uni 3.2. Together with several products certified according to the W3 standards for high alloy steel welding applications. Once all final inspections have been completed, every machine is carefully prepared for shipment. Our products are delivered to customers throughout Italy and around the world, bringing the quality and reliability of Italian manufacturing to numerous industrial sectors. At Aerservice, we don't simply build extraction systems. We design solutions that improve air quality, enhance workspace safety, and help companies optimize their production processes. Thank you for visiting Aerservice.